Welcome Hoang channel. Since its introduction in 2008, the i10 has been a success story for Hyundai in Europe. The all-new i10 is designed, developed and made in Europe. Its exterior body reflects its young spirit while ensuring uncompromised accessibility and comfort to support its diverse users in their everyday activities. With the most comprehensive safety and connectivity offers in its class, the all-new Hyundai i10 provides the complete package. A dynamic and stylish design. The all-new i10 features a young and dynamic design that offers a contrast between its soft surfaces and sharp lines. Its visual stance is improved by its lowered roof and wider body, while the wide front grille expresses its sporty character and incorporates round LED daytime running lights. Drivers can also opt for newly designed optional 16-inch alloy wheels. The design of the interior offers a youthful impression without compromising usability. The large decor panel on the dashboard, which shows a 3D honeycomb pattern, brings visual value to the whole interior. Convenience and class-leading connectivity. The all-new i10 is available as a 4 or 5-seater model. Thanks to the increased wheelbase, the roominess for the passengers has been enhanced, and its versatile 252-liter luggage space is among the best in the segment. Meanwhile, the new rear-view camera assists drivers while parking. New connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, make the all-new Hyundai i10 a leader in its class. These are integrated into an 8-inch color touchscreen, the largest in the segment, and wireless charging is also available. Meanwhile, BlueLink telematics provides significant benefits to drivers regarding safety and security, control and connectivity via an app. Fun driving performance and an N-line version. The all-new Hyundai i10 is available with two gasoline engines, a 1.0-liter MPI 3-cylinder and a 1.2-liter MPI 4-cylinder. Both engines are available with 5-gear manual transmission or 5-gear automated manual transmission. Hyundai is also introducing the all-new i10 N-Line, which features an exclusive 1.0-liter turbo GDI engine for increased driving performance, as well as a range of design enhancements. Exterior design. The all-new i10's dynamic and sleek design offers a contrast between its soft surfaces and sharp lines. Compared to its predecessor, the all-new Hyundai i10 has enhanced proportions. Its visual stance is improved by its lowered roof (-20 mm) and its wider body (+2 ohm). These enhancements can be complemented by newly designed optional 16-inch alloy wheels, resulting in an energetic and agile look. The all-new i10 has a young and dynamic design that stands out in the A segment. Its wide front grille expresses a sporty character and incorporates the round LED daytime running lights, showing a refined honeycomb structure inside. At the rear, two horizontal crease lines break up the soft surfaces of the boot and run into the taillight graphics. The side view of the all-new Hyundai i10 is characterized by the clean, smoothly muscled main body, which has been shaped to provide maximum inner space. Unique triangular volumes visually emphasize the width of the car and highlight the position of the wheels at the four corners. The X-shaped C-pillar, visible from far away, clearly identifies the car and draws the eye to the pillar-mounted i10 logo. In addition to the 10 exterior base colors, customization options are further increased by the option of a two-tone roof in either black or red, which brings out the all-new i10's playful side. 3 of the exterior colors are new: dragon red, brass and aqua turquoise. Overall, 22 exterior color combinations are available. Interior design. The design of the interior offers a youthful impression without compromising usability. One of the most important elements is the extra width created by the air vents protruding into the doortrim to support the horizontality of the architecture. The large decor panel on the dashboard shows the honeycomb 3D pattern that is carried as well into the door panels. This brings visual value to the whole interior. With the youthful style and practical solutions of the interior not compromising on comfort for drivers and passengers alike, the much appreciated larger segment character of the previous generation is continued. The doortrim is designed to visually extend the dashboard, while also guiding the eye towards the large storage compartments in the door. Additionally to the glovebox storage, the designers of the all-new Hyundai i10 integrated an extra open storage compartment above the glovebox on the passenger side. New trim and a sportier design. Like the all-new i10, the i10N line's dynamic and sleek design offers a contrast between its soft surfaces and sharp lines. Its exterior design enhancements include unique bumpers and grille, giving it a dynamic look that is inspired by Hyundai's engagement in motorsport. The exclusive 16-inch alloy wheels and the LED daytime running lights illustrate the distinctive design of the all-new Hyundai i10N line and emphasize the car's sporty attitude. The all-new i10N line's other exclusive design features include the N-line emblem, i10 sign in red font, as well as a skid plate and diffuser. Customers can also choose from a total of 6 exterior colors which can be combined with a two-tone roof. Interior details inspired by motorsport. The interior design gives a nod to race car interiors. It achieves this thanks to the N-branded steering wheel and gear shift lever, as well as red air vent rings and metal pedals. Meanwhile, the sporty seats offer more support for performance-oriented driving precision. Like the standard Hyundai i10, it offers a youthful style and practical solutions without compromising comfort. An exclusive 1.0 turbo GDI engine for fun driving performance. The all-new i10N line offers an exclusive 1.0-liter turbo GDI 3-cylinder with 100 PS and 172 Nm torque. This is in addition to the 1.2-liter MPI 4-cylinder with 84 PS and 118 Nm torque. Both engines are available with a 5-gear manual transmission. The all-new Hyundai i10N line will be available in Europe starting in summer 2020.